Hello guys, and welcome to my first reading challenge on this YouTube channel. So, as you see by the title, I'm going to be reading a page from, how do I explain it? A page for every time I open my phone, pretty much. So, yeah, I've noted down from last week, Thursday to Wednesday, how many times I open my phone. So I've got a graph of it, put the graph on screen now, that's the graph. Doesn't really make sense, so I'm going to really explain it to you. So, the numbers on the side add up to how many times I open the page. Open the page, that's what we'll be doing in open my phone. But, so, I'm going to read out all the pages I'm going to hopefully be able to read this week, and then I'll get right into it. So, today's Thursday, and I'll be reading 54 pages, because that's how many times I opened it. But also, my most opened app, I'm going to share that with every day. So I'm not going to share the amount of pages yet until the day. So Thursday, we're starting off with 54 pages. So my most opened app is Snapchat with 23 times. So that's not even half of it, half of the amount of time I open my phone though. So, you know, not too bad, but hopefully I'm going to be able to read 54 pages or more. So I've made an extra challenge onto the actual challenge, which hopefully we can see how many extra pages I read throughout the whole week. So the reading for this week is going to be of JT. We're not going to be able to get any other book because I'm only like 100 pages in, and this is like a 500 page book. So spoiler alert, I don't have to read 500 pages this week. I only have to read not a lot. I won't tell you until the end. But yeah, so today's Thursday, and I'm going to get right into it. Also guys, this video is my first challenge, so if we even complete it this week, that'd be amazing. So feel free to like the video if you're excited for more challenges like this, and yeah, let's get on with the reading for today. Hey guys, it's the end of the day right now, and I just finished reading all the pages I need to today. It took me 2 hours and 20 minutes in total. I didn't do it straight, obviously I stopped for a bit, but really successful first day, and there's only one day that is higher than today, which is only 2 pages higher, but I think I'm doing well so far. I'll see you tomorrow for the certain amount of pages that we're doing tomorrow. Bye! Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of the challenge. So, yesterday I surprised myself by actually completing the challenge, even when I actually, had stuff to do as well, which was like, oh my god, how did I do that? But, yeah, so, as I said yesterday, that's the second longest time of pages, so, luckily today's a bit shorter, it's 10 less, so 44 pages. I'm here in my bed, just gonna do the rest in my bed. Well, not the rest, but day 2 in my bed. So yeah, I'll catch up when I have stuff to talk about. Bye! I just had the biggest OMG moment reading this book. If you've read Jade War and know what happens on page 196, you know why I just completely sat up in shock. I usually don't do updates where I tell you how it's going in the book, but this has completely shocked me. I'm not going to tell you, obviously, because spoilers, it's the second book in the trilogy, but oh my god, If you know, you know, and if you don't, I'm literally recommending you to read the book just for this moment. It's not a good moment, obviously, but it's a moment where I'm like, oh my god, I can't believe that this happened. I'm just going to say that I do not like the Hilo character anymore. Hilo, whatever he just did, he's lost all my respect. Oh my god. If anything else happens, I'll update you, but if not, I'll see you at the end of the day. Bye! Hey guys, it's Saturday, so it's currently 3:15, not 3, 1:15, and I've already been out today and done all this stuff, but in about 45 minutes I'm about to go get my new phone, so before then I'm gonna get started with the challenge, because we don't have to read that much today. I don't think. Let me check. Yeah, I need to read 56, so it's 2 more pages than Thursday. Oh god, don't look at my side table, it is a mess. But yeah, it's only 56 today. Well, only. It's the most amount all week. Fair enough. Alright, 56 pages. So let's see how much we can get done in about 45 minutes. And then we'll come back and see how many more. See you soon. Hey guys, it's about 7:15 right now, and I've just finished setting up my new phone. I'm going to show you in the mirror the phone. Ooh, you can't really tell, it's just an iPhone 11, but I'm going to carry on reading now and see how many more pages I can read. I'll probably read for as much as possible and read the rest of my page count for today, but I finally got a really good new phone, so hopefully you can tell the difference in quality for the video. I'm just looking at it because it's so good. Anyway, I'll see you soon. Bye! Hey guys, it's currently Sunday, but yesterday I completed my reading. I got to page 266, but it was a struggle yesterday. I thought, oh, I'll get the reading done in the evening, but I literally finished reading at 11:15 PM, so I almost gave up, I'm not gonna lie to you. But Sunday, we only need to read 51 today, so we're gonna get up to page 317, and when we finish today, that means we've read 200 pages so far, halfway through pretty much. 200 pages in this whole challenge, so it's pretty exciting. But yeah, I'm going to get on with reading now, and I'll keep you updated. Hey guys, it's Sunday evening right now, and I'm on page 291, and I need to get to 317, but I think today is going to be the first day where I do not finish the whole day. I've only got like 27 pages left, but I think I'm going to stop reading for today and have to continue the rest of the pages tomorrow, but I think that'll be fine. Slightly disappointed that I haven't been able to finish it, but today I've just done so many things, and then when I haven't been doing anything, I haven't thought to read really, but it's fine. I'll carry on with the reading tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Bye! Hey guys, it's currently 8 PM on Monday. I've only been reading for about an hour, but I've got about 50 pages left. I just finished watching the Oscars from last night. Very good. So now I'm just going to read for as much as I can, as long as I can. But tomorrow I have a day off from school, so I'm going to see how much I can read tomorrow. So we're obviously taking over yesterday's time. I don't know why, I just couldn't get into the book yesterday. But today, so far, on page 310, It's very good so far. But I'll catch up at the end of the day or tomorrow morning when I let you know if I can complete it today. See ya! Hey guys, it's Tuesday and today I have my day off from school, so I'm going to be spending most of the day reading. Yesterday I had 30 pages left that I haven't read, so I put it on to today, and I have to read up to page 410, which is 80 pages. I think that'll be pretty good for today as it's like 9 o'clock right now. 9 or 10? 10 o'clock, so I'm going to go downstairs and have some breakfast and then read my book. That's not my book, that's my YouTube diary. But you get what I mean. I'm going to read as much as I can today. Jesus. Hopefully I can probably get more than 80 pages, but you know, you never know. Yeah. See you in a bit. Bye. Hey guys, it's the end of the day now, and I read for like the total of 2 hours and 36 minutes today, and I read 57 pages, so there was only 13 pages left of what I actually had to read, but I thought might as well do that tomorrow because that's not that many when you think about it. So pretty successful, to be honest. I thought I would do more, especially when having the whole day, but 57 though is quite a lot. Like, I need to give myself credit for that. But anyway, tomorrow is the last day, so hopefully we can complete all that tomorrow, and then I'll let you know how we done on the challenge all together. So, see you soon. Hey guys, it's the last day of the challenge and I have just calculated how many pages left I have to fully complete it. So, as you know, every day I haven't completely finished and I've tried to read more the next day to add it up. So I added it up and all the pages throughout from Thursday to today I needed to read 343. And at the moment, I'm 66 pages off that to be exact. So, today, I'm going to try and read 66 pages to finish off the challenge. And then, at the end of the day, or maybe tomorrow, I'll give you a whole rundown of what I had to do. So, at the moment, I'm on page 445, I think. Yeah. No, I'm not. I'm on 387. That's what I needed to get to, but that's not true anymore because I didn't write it down. Anyway, I'm gonna get started reading and I'll keep you updated. Hey guys, it's 10 PM and I've officially finished this challenge. I'm gonna put the number of pages I've read this week on screen, but I'm just going to finish it off here. Thanks so much for watching. I know this video has been a bit not bad, but the first challenge video I've ever done, so let me know in the comments how you want me to do it next time because this is a bit of a mess, not gonna lie. But apart from that, I've read so many pages this week. It's been so good, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to check out my story graph and my Instagram, linked down below.